Almost there.
Yeah.
Well, like some of these trails are usually there. Like, can you imagine like indoors being at the gear? Like,
Yeah, they're way spread out.
on each one, between trees.
Oh.
Nice job.
798.
Good job.
Great job, Mark.
Got it. Thank you. Straight through
Here
there.
comes Chuck. 7.
Good job.
8. 8.
Good job.
Coming off of knee surgery. Great run.
Nice. Good job.
Well, Mark.
I want to go see your doctor.
We have somebody, I guess, that goes past the... Yeah. I've lost a couple cars in the last video.
All done, all
There you
done.
go.
Good job.
7, 7, 6.
All set. Pull your tag for me. Got it?
Nice job, Billy boy.
Good job. Oh, wait.
Nice. Strong finish.
Good job. All set. Good job. 7:14.
Number, please.
7:14. Yep.
Nice run.
Thank you.
Great job.
8:14. It was 8:14.
You're all done, you're all done. Good job.
Great run. You are done.
Nice finish.
What's your number?
8:30.
Good job.
Can you, if they can't see the number, can you yell the number over the coach?
Most of them I've been able to see.
I can just yell on the right.
You don't hear me.
I always put mine on the right. I'll just yell on it.
I should punch in the left side.
Good job, you're almost there, guys.
8:30.
That's important. Pittsburgh after this. There might be much. We actually need to look at you guys. Great job.
Great run.
Way to go, nice finish.
Nice finish.
Got 770 and 756.
They'll tear you tag if you
In that order.
Let me get out of your way and I'll give it to you.
Good job,
Number 727.
727.
You're good. Great job.
Great run, Steve.
Nice
Good
finish.
job.
At the bottom of the whole thing.
Just the bottom. Can you know what, make him a tag. Don't worry about it. Where is it? Got it? Oh, okay, he got it. Thank you.
Okay, sorry about that.
That's all right.
No worries.
Good job.
Thank you.
Great job. Nice, Terry.
752. 740. Great job, Terry.
Thank you. Good job, guys.
Good job.
Hey, Felix.
I got a massive tape. We reused like a little tiny scrap that he already. Oh.
Yes.
God's must be crazy.
It's a banana.
We'd had a banana on this. Where's the banana phone? You gotta get the banana on it.
Did the banana fall?
Disrupted communication.
What?
That is the thing.
Proper tape technology.
Here we go.
Good job, Ian. Nice finish.
804.
Good job.
On the way.
Nice job, Jason.
757. Good job.
757.
Strong finish.
Good job. Great job.
Nice job, Scotty.
Bottom of the tank.
Number 819. Great run, Al.
Great job.
Go get your finish.